It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what I'm going to do is remove these bedside decals and I'm going to replace them with these nice red graphics. So I kind of want to go for that black and red theme. First step, I'm going to remove this. How do I get that out?
Can't get that out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 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 Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Did I get it? Remove this. I like that pop of red. That's nice. Like that?
Yeah, and then you squeegeed it.
I already have bubbles already. Ooh, that's nice. Wait. I like that pop of red. That's nice. Okay, so for these inserts on the hood, it's very difficult to get it centered perfectly within the outline of the hood decal. So I'm going to try something differently. So the approach I'm going to go next time, I figured I'll just cut around it. That way I can kind of see where it's supposed to go. Okay, that one's a little better. I got more space here than over here. I got a tiny bit of space. Like, it's almost impossible to get this centered exactly where it needs to go. Like here you can see I'm got a tiny bit space there, and I got a little bit more over here. Like, it's almost impossible. I don't know how you can do this. Okay, I think I'm getting a little better at this. This one looks a lot more even. Oh, and no, spoke too soon. Like, jeez. Man, this is like impossible. Like, started out okay here. See, that looks really good. And the further you go along, it just didn't line up at all over here. So, I don't know. Just leave it.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.